Hi, I am Yogesh Pandey. I have total 12 years of teaching experience of both ICSE and CBSE, and I have done MSc and B.Ed also, and presently I am pursuing postgraduate diploma in school leadership and management. Let us study some differences between the distance and displacement. So what are the differences? Let us take one simple example. Now suppose here is the school and here is the home, and there is a boy who starts from home and he wants to go to school. So what are the distances? Suppose here he takes from point A to point B, he takes 4 kilometers, and then again from point B to point C. At point C school is there, so from point B to point C he takes 3 kilometers, and we don't know what is this straight line path, that is AC. So what will be the total distance over here? The total distance travelled by the boy, it will be equal to AB plus BC. So it will be 4 plus 3, and that is 7 kilometers. But now as you can see from the diagram that ABC, so at angle B it is of 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So we can say by Pythagoras theorem we can find this straight distance, that is AC. So AC square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, that is AB square plus BC square. So AB square is 4 square plus 3 square. So here we will get 16 plus here we will get 9. So if we add them both, we will get 25. So if we take square roots on both the sides, we will get AC is equal to square root of 25 is 5 kilometers. Now AC we are getting here 5 kilometers. So AC is nothing but it is the shortest path. If we take this distance, that is from A to B and B to C, it is 4 plus 3, it is 7 kilometers. So here it is quite evident that 7 kilometers if he go by A to B and B to C, so it will be a long for him, he will take more time. But if he chooses this path to go to school, that is from A to C, that is the shortest path, so this is the 5 kilometers, which is much lesser than 7 kilometers. So he will require a less time to travel. So this is one of the main differences, that is the distance is the total distance travelled irrespective of the direction, but displacement, it depends on the direction because it is a vector quantity, distance is a scalar quantity. So that's why displacement is the path between the starting and the final point, but the distance is the total length covered from the starting position to the end point irrespective of the direction. Now the distance can be positive, but the displacement can be positive, negative, or it can be 0 based on the direction. Distance does not take direction in the consider, but the displacement takes the direction into the consideration. So this is the major difference between the distance and displacement. Again I am repeating that distance is the total length of the path covered, but the displacement is the distance between the length of the path between the initial point or the origin and the final point, or you can call it as an end point.